Hi, my name is April and I'm an audiologist for Signal. Today, we will discuss one of the most common issues of new hearing aid wearers, and that is the acceptance of their own voice. Hey Emma, how do you feel with your hearing aids?
I love that I can hear much better now, but I am not used to how my own voice sounds every time I talk. It sounds like my voice is stuck in my head and very echoey, like it is stuck in a fishbowl. So I don't talk as much as I used to anymore.
Hearing care professionals know that audibility and a natural sounding own voice are essential for many users. Yet, many new users still reject hearing aids due to two main reasons. Either their own voice sounds unnatural or the audibility is compromised to make their own voice less unnatural. Signia's patented OVP feature solves the own voice issue without compromising on sound quality. OVP scans and processes the wearer's own voice separately from all other sounds. This means that both the environmental sounds and the wearer's own voice can sound natural without compromise. In fact, studies have shown that with Signia's OVP technology, more than 90% of first-time hearing aid wearers find their own voice natural and comfortable, and this gets them talking more. Why don't we show you how easy it is? Activating OVP is just a short and simple additional step in the fitting process that can provide instant comfort for the hearing aid wearer.
Wow, my voice sounds so much more natural and comfortable now. Signia's OVP really works.